Мустафага Азатлык студиясына хуш келдегез. Исәнмесез? Татарстаннан журналист Илфат Фейзрахманов сорауы.
Being held in inhumane conditions for the mere fact of being an American. I want the Russian government to explain to me and my children why exactly Alsou is being held hostage. She's not an opposition politician, she's not an activist, she's not a criminal. Her detention is wrongful, she doesn't belong in jail, she doesn't belong in Russia, she belongs at home with me and her children.
Это камера 5 квадратных метров на двоих, нет горячей воды, вместо унитаза дырка в полу.
She is truly the most caring and empathetic person I know, and it's absolutely unfair and unbelievable that she is in this position right now.
It's you and your little sister?
Yeah, I have a younger sister, she's 12, and it's been so hard without our mother.